Well, if you wanted honesty, that's all you had to say. I never want to let you down or have you go. It's better of this way. I'm not okay. I am not okay. I am not okay. You wore me out. If you have not heard this song, then go and listen to it as soon as possible. This song is very beautiful, so let us give you more information about this song. Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm a well-wisher healer and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video, must watch till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. I Am Not Okay is a song by American singer Jelly Roll, released on 12 June. As the lead singer from this upcoming 10th studio album, Beautifully Broken, it was written by Jelly Roll, Taylor Phillips, Ashley Garley, and Cassie Brown, and produced by Zash Crowell. I am not okay. I'm barely getting by. I'm losing track of days and losing sleep at night. The lyrics of this song are something like this. Jelly Roll debuted the song at the season 25 finale of The Voice on 21st May. He also performed it at the CMA Fest on June. Prior of releasing the song and again during then in memoriam segment and the 76th Primetime Emmy Awards. When announcing the release on Instagram, he wrote the song is for everything going through something. Jelly Roll wrote I Am Not Okay with Taylor Phillips, Ashley Grillis, and Cassie Brown while on tour in North Carolina in October. After witnessing the crowd's emotional reactions, Phillips remarked that attending Jelly Roll's concert was akin to going to church, while prompted Jelly Roll to see that he was making a it's okay for people not to be okay, which inspired the song Hook. Gary noted that he had hoped to develop a song about depressions suffered in part by Phillips' animal benefit to honor his friend Brent Kindly, who died in suicide. Produced by Zash Carroll and Saxman Studios, the instrumental starts with the plucking of acoustic guitar during the opening verse, before being joined by drums, synthesizers, and orchestras. Lyrical Jelly Roll revolves around the emotional pain and struggle with mental health, mentioning having sleepless night for voices in his head, good and bad days, and not wanting to be out of bed. In the course of acknowledges these are the others in a similar positions and encourage hope. I know I can't be the only one who is holding on for dear life. God knows I know when it's all said and done. I am not okay, but it's all gonna be alright. It's not okay, but we are all gonna be alright. This week's Making Tracks looks at serious themes behind the country star's latest Hot 100 controversial hits. The planet gets hotter by the month. The technology that was supposed to improve lives stalls or break down. Artificial intelligence poses a threat to future employment, and there's chance democracy could crumble before the United States turn. It's real music for real people with real problems. Jelly Roll says that struggle is something that a lot of my music touches on. It's something I am honest about with my own life, and something that's for anyone who is going through that. I am not okay reflects both real life anxieties and audacity and optimism. Songwriters Ashley Gurley, Bulletproof, I Had Some Help, and Cassie Brown, Blue Tacoma Girl in Mind, booked a fight to meet Jelly Roll and fellow writer Tyler Phillips' Hurricane Word on Fire. No, on tour in North Carolina last fall, but a series of airline issues delayed their commute by 8 hours and took them to a different airport. They rented a car in Charlotte and drove for more hours. Despite their frustrations, the group composed two or three songs prior to the October 5, 2024 shows in Wilmington, a concern that proved particularly. I found myself multiple times during the show kind of looking at the crowd to see the reactions of these pupils that were soaking in the music Phillips remembers. And as you look amongst this crowd, you see people crying, you see people rejoicing, and you see people putting their hands in the air. Later, as the bus rolled off for the Greensboro, Phillips told Jerry Lowell the concert was like going to church. The singer noted that he has essentially making it okay for people not to be okay. That corresponded with a title Gorley that logged off his phone. I am not okay, and he has sat down and a piano singing the title as a melody and progressions began to unfold. He created a chordlessly ascendant bass line with a piece moving intensely from darker chords into the brighter traits. I started all the phrases that the sixth minor chord, but then I always ended up on a major chord. Garly says, not that I was thinking about that. If I was smart, I had be like, oh, I did it on purpose, but it just sounded like that. Guruli was psyched to explore the topic. He had gone on the trip hoping they could write something that would bring attention to depressions, a topic that's so important to him and to Phillips. What lost a friend, bring kindly to suicide on Christmas Eve in 2020. Phillips now does an annual benefit and kindly honors the issue resonate with people in every walk of life. Everybody has to go through something. Philip says whether you have $1 billion in your bank account or if you got $0 in your bank account. The I am not okay text emerged the liner fashion, each line building on the previous one. Additionally, the song individual sections gave a big picture view of the protagonist battle. He starred in verse on Myra in total depressions. The cause acknowledgement, the issues prevalence. I know I can't, but the only one. And ultimately settles into the quiet confidence. I am not okay, but it's all the gonna be alright. Verse 2 has the character vacillating between progress and backsliding, confessing the someday he can barely get out of bed. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. Thank you very much. I will be back again.